Hello everyone, I am John Joseph, a UPG sustainability leader based in Haiti. Mental health is a taboo subject in many places in the world, and Haiti is no exception. Given the insecurity crisis and all the bad consequences it carries in the Haitian population, many people are suffering with mental health issues. As a UPG sustainability leader, I want to raise awareness about this issue so that people can be better informed and enjoy a better life. That's why I would like to receive your vote so that I can make it in the journey to Oregon Highland. Thank you very much.